Okay, so I'm installing a Traffic Master vinyl plank flooring, and this is the first time I put down a floor like this, so there's a couple of things I'd like to share with you. So if it's the first time you put a floor down like this as well, then it might save you some grief and some time. Now when you install a plank, make sure it is completely flush with the floor afterwards. It may appear like it is completely tight to the other planks and installed as it should be, but if there's a bounce, you will see that in a little bit. Right there. If it just is a little bit, then it is not in place. So I'm giving a little extra here. And now you can see it's completely flat to the floor. Then also make sure that the corners between the plank you just laid down and the previous plank is 100% aligned. As you can see, my drywall is cut about, it doesn't touch the concrete floor, it's cut about 1/2 inch above. And since my flooring is only about 1/4 inch thick, then when I put a spacer down, you're just gonna push the spacer in underneath the drywall. It's gonna flip over. I didn't think that was a big deal really, because I just didn't push it in towards the spacer. I just put the floor in place. But I realized that in order to get the floor completely straight, you have to push it in to the towards the spacers. And if they do not provide enough support, then you may push the floor more in one end than the other end, and the planks will separate. So I took a piece of flooring and screwed it into every stud on the wall where along the wall where I started the flooring, and in that way it wouldn't move anywhere, it wouldn't slide in underneath the drywall, and problem solved. Okay, that was it for this time. Please like and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.